Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to reset your Messenger PIN code. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and open up the Messenger app. Now, once you're in here, just tap on the menu icon at the very bottom. Now, go ahead and tap on the gear icon that says Settings. Now, scroll down and find Privacy and Safety. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to see end-to-end encrypted chats. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then go ahead and tap on Message Storage. Now in here, you'll be able to see a reset PIN option. Well, go ahead and tap on it. And then if asked, just go ahead and enter the current PIN. And then you'll be able to enter a new or create a new PIN afterwards. Wait a bit. And once that's done, you're good to go. That's how simple it is to reset your Messenger PIN code. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.